15 SEO tips for small businesses. 1. Set up Google Analytics and Google Search Console. These free tools from Google provide insights into how your website performs. Google Analytics tracks visitor behavior, traffic sources, and conversions, helping you understand what's working. Google Search Console focuses on technical SEO such as indexing issues, keyword performance, and core web vitals. 2. Set up and optimize your Google Business Profile. A well-maintained Google Business Profile can dramatically improve local visibility. Add accurate business details, including name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. Post updates, upload photos, and encourage customer reviews to stay relevant. 3. Conduct keyword research. Keyword research forms the foundation of any SEO strategy. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, or Ahrefs to identify keywords relevant to your industry. Focus on long-tail keywords, which are less competitive and more likely to convert. 4. Analyze SERP competitors. Understanding what your competitors are doing can provide valuable insights. Examine their top-ranking pages, content structure, and keyword usage. Identify gaps where your business can offer something unique. 5. Optimize your website structure. A clean and intuitive website structure improves user experience and SEO. Use a logical hierarchy with clear categories and subcategories. Implement internal linking to connect related content and help search engines understand your site. 6. Add schema markup. Schema markup helps search engines understand your website better. Add structured data for products, reviews, events, or locations. Use tools like Google's Structured Data Markup Helper to simplify implementation. 7. Optimize on-page elements. Your meta titles, descriptions, and headers are critical for ranking and attracting clicks. Titles. Include target keywords and keep them under 60 characters. Meta descriptions. Write compelling descriptions that encourage users to click. Headers. Use H1 for titles, H2 for subheadings, and H3 for details to maintain a logical structure. 8. Create high-quality content that connects with your audience. Content remains the cornerstone of SEO. Address your customers' pain points through blog posts, how-to guides, and FAQs. Keep content engaging, informative, and optimized with relevant keywords. 9. Identify and fix basic SEO issues. Small issues like broken links or duplicate content can harm your rankings. Tools like Screaming Frog or Siteliner can quickly identify and help resolve such problems. 10th. Leverage online business listings. Consistency across online directories is crucial for local SEO. List your business on platforms like Yelp, Bing Places, and Yellow Pages. Use the same name, address, and phone number, NAP, everywhere. 11th. Build quality backlinks strategically. Rather than buying backlinks, focus on earning high-quality ones. Create valuable content that others want to link to. Reach out to industry partners, suppliers, or organizations for link opportunities. 12th. Monitor and manage local listings. Keep your local listings accurate and up-to-date. Tools like Bright Local can help manage citations and correct errors. 13. Encourage and respond to customer reviews. Reviews not only impact your reputation, but also influence local search rankings. Politely ask satisfied customers for reviews. Respond to both positive and negative reviews to show you value feedback. 14. Track your rankings and adjust. SEO is an ongoing process that requires regular monitoring. Use tools like Google Search Console or SEMrush to track keyword rankings. Adjust your strategy based on performance data. 15. Use social media to complement SEO efforts. While not a direct ranking factor, social media can amplify your SEO efforts. Share blog posts and other content to drive traffic. Engage with your audience to increase brand loyalty and visibility. This is all for this video. SEO is a powerful tool for small businesses to compete in today's digital marketplace. It requires consistent effort, strategic planning, and a focus on delivering value to customers. By implementing these tips, your website can achieve sustainable growth and attract the right audience. Find more SEO guides at cornellmanu.com/SEO.